Cellular organization in plants. Objective: to learn about the levels of cellular organization in plants. Plants are multicellular organisms. The plant body is made up of many different types of cells that perform different functions. For example, the epidermal cells of a leaf are present at the upper and lower surfaces of a leaf, and the leaf palisade cells are found below the upper epidermis. The epidermal cells protect the internal parts of the leaf from mechanical damage. Cells like the root tip cells are found at the tip of the plant roots. A group of similar cells that work together to perform a specific function is called a tissue. Examples are epidermal tissue, conducting tissue, and photosynthetic tissue present in the leaf. The epidermal tissue is involved in gaseous exchange, water loss, and protection of plant surfaces. The conducting tissue is mainly made up of the xylem and phloem cells, which help in the transport of water, photosynthetic products, and minerals in the plant body. The photosynthetic tissue contains chloroplasts and is involved in the process of photosynthesis. A tissue called sclerenchyma is found in the veins of leaves. The cells of this tissue are long and narrow, with tapering ends. Its function is to protect the plant from environmental forces like strong winds. These different tissues are grouped together to form a structural and functional unit known as an organ. The leaf is an example. The flower, stem, and root are some more examples of the organs of a plant. But these organs can't work alone. Different organs coordinate with other organs to perform specific functions and form an organ system. Generally, plants have two major organ systems, the root system and the shoot system. The root system includes the underground parts of the plant, namely the main root, side roots, and root tips. The parts of the plant above the ground form the shoot system. It includes the stem, branches and leaves, and the flowers in flowering plants. These systems combine together to form an organism, an example being the sunflower plant. Thus, the level of organization in an organism increases in complexity, from the cells to the tissues, to the organs, to the organ systems, and finally to the organism. To summarize, the plant body is made up of many different types of cells that perform different functions. A group of similar cells that work together to perform a specific function is called a tissue. Different tissues are grouped together to form a structural and functional unit known as an organ. Different organs coordinate with other organs to perform specific functions and form an organ system. Different organ systems combine to form an organism.